My name's Terry McCartney. I'm the owner-manager of the Belmore Court Motel here in Enniskillen. Our sustainability journey started about 14 years ago when we put in some EV chargers and applied for the Green Tourism Business Award. We were successful at that time and we made a lot of changes in terms of LED lighting and low flow shower fittings and tap fittings. Fast forward to 2023, we've joined the Business Sustainability Network and we've really ramped this up over the last couple of years. We've added 56 kilowatts of solar power to the roof and we've also added 60 kilowatts of battery charging. In the bathrooms and the en-suites, we've gone for Eco Boutique. It's a sustainable shampoo shower gel, which means that it's good for the environment. It's made out of recycled plastic bottles and it's ecologically very sound for the water waste and treatment. And we found being in bulk, customers are very happy, our guests are happy with the quality of it, the smell of it, and what it does for the environment. We've also got rid of single-use plastics throughout the building. We've gone for bottling our own filtered water, and this is in rooms now instead of the plastic bottles or the Tetra Paks. In terms of our waste, we use a local waste transfer station. So all of our waste goes to the waste transfer station and they separate it, a lot by hand and some by machinery. And we haven't sent anything to landfill for the last 10 years. So in terms of being part of the network, it's been very beneficial. The training and the courses and the learning that we've gone through has been very beneficial. I suppose the networking opportunities have been super, and of course the opportunity to use the Business Sustainability Network logo on our door and to promote it and to promote the whole Geopark area has been a big benefit to us. Whenever people come to stay with us, they're not essentially coming to stay with us because it's us, but they are coming to see the natural beauty of the area and the Cuilcagh, Lakelands, Geopark. Visitors coming to the area, they can help the whole area by supporting the local businesses. There are many small and micro businesses, so listen, if you need to do a bit of shopping or buy gifts, try and use small businesses. I suppose whenever they're out and about, if they follow the leave no trace principles, if they ensure they clear up after them and take care of the natural environment that we have and that we want to remain for the next 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 years.